This is the continuation of chapter 8, approaches explain the process of organization. So, supply chain operation reference description model of logistics process. Supply chain operation reference is a description of the logistic processes from the user's perspective. Supply chain operations reference is a framework that standardizes the supply chain processes for the efficiency and collaboration among businesses. So, ang SCOR, ang tumungan is ka na nagwan siya sa mga process sa product, ikat sa supplier, padulong sa customer. So next is reference model. It's an adaptively developed model that abstracts from the company's specific characteristics of the processes. It is intended to support some modeling in a company on the basis of a uniform strategy. So mayroon ang reference model, so nag-serve siya as guide sa pag-organize sa process o pagdala sa product because sa supplier, padulong siya sa customer. So, na following requirements na ma-meet sa reference model. So, first, ang correctness. So, yung correctness, dapat accurate representation of reality. Next is semantic analyticity. It is pagtanong lang niyo sa reference model, makita namin yung siya na siya ibalik clear meaning ba, nakita niyo siya masabtan. Then, completeness. So, sa reference model, dapat pagtanong lang niyo siya, dapat kompleto na gitan sa plan, sa pag-source, pag-make, pag-deliver, sa pag-resort. Then sa next is complexity reduction. Kanang dapat ang imong reference model, simple lang siya, kaya para dali na siya masagdan sa uwan. Then verifiability, being able to check the information if it is accurate or not. Then next, adaptability. Dapat ang imong reference model is flexible and able to change to fit the different situations. Last is compatibility. Refers how different parts of the model can be combined or used together. So next, the model is based on the 5 basic processes. So first is a planning. So there is a planning stage. There is a planning, the setting the stage of your project. O kung sa kanamit ang unsa gusto nimo nga mahuman sa unsa gusto nimo nga outcome sa imong product, unsa nimo nga ma-measure nimo ang success sa imong project. Then that was a planning is the development of our plans. If it is consistent and aligned with the overall goals. The next is outsourcing or outsource. So outsourcing diri ang gathering the resources of unsa atong need para maka-create sa project. Like finding the right materials, the right people, and information para mahimo ang atong project in reality. So next is making or made. So this is making muna ni siya actual processes of building or creating our project. Muna ni nga kanang put your plan into action. So next is delivery or deliver. So diya sa delivery or deliver, dili na natin i-present ang atong mga finished project about showing of kanang usa kana atong na-create o nahimo o na-meet ba nato ang kanang needs and expectations sa atong mga customer. Then last is returning or return. Dili sa returning or return is the ongoing impact sa value sa atong project. Dili ibalik ka na magpanataw ka ng customer feedback. If it is negative, dapat i-make sure nato nga kanang ma-fix nato asa ka part ang negative para malasa nato dili mapituhan nato ang atong goal sa pag-create sa project. So next is napon siya 3 types of processes. So first, an execution process includes all for order handling of road sense or order processing. So dili sa execution process, dili nato makuha ng kanang mga steps, sabi nato buhaton nga kanang sunod-sunod para mabuhat nato mga plans. Putting your plans into action and making things happen. Using sa mga resources nato na-gather katong let's sa mga tao, mga materials, o mga information. They can moving goods from origin to the destination, including na ang transportation, warehousing, o order fulfillment. Next is planning process. Describe the preparatory activities for future material, information, and value flow. So diri sa planning process, diri anak iguan ang kanang mag-define sila kung sa mga strategy, kung sa setting goals and developing detailed plans for managing the flow of goods, resources, and information. So last is enabling processes. These are the preparation and design of the supply chain. So diri sa enabling processes kato mga behind the scenes actions like kanang kung saan kanang ilang buhaton para himo na successful nga project like mag-train sila o kanang ilang mga employer staff kay para mahimo pa ng well-trained ang ilahang mga content. Dili po sa enabling nga kapit po dira ka ng managing the information sa kanimo sa project. So, the factors influencing the process organization are particularly the structure of the production program and the unit processes, the structure of the work orders, and the structure of the planning and information system. So first is the production program. The conformity between the products is an important criteria. So, case of production program, gidefine diri ang kanang mga plan nila for producing goods, includes diri ang objectives, mga structures, schedules, processes, and quality control. Next is unit processes. Describes the number, time, and sequence operations that have to be performed to complete a product. So there is a unit processes. Ikuha na diri ang atong individual steps and activities involved para ma-create ito nilang product. Ibali ang specific function, katong specific function sa logistic chain, katong transportation, warehousing, order fulfillment. Work orders, another important factor in producing the process organization. So, kini sa work orders, manadali ang mga specific rules and responsibilities sa individuals or kanang kauban yung anak nga, ibalik ka mo ang buo anak ng project. So, mga specific rules and responsibilities or things involved in carrying the logistics. Kato bitaw, such as katong mga drivers, ang ilang mga rules and responsibilities sa ilahin pang warehouse staff o mga customer service representatives. Next is planning and information system must be included in the analysis. So, kining planning information system, ano siya katong mga tools, processes, and data used para ma-collect, ma-analyze, o share information for planning and decision making sa logistics operation. So, unification, information, and goal flow. Overcoming interfaces. The major problem of the process organization is the overcoming of interfaces which hinder an efficient and effective design of the processes. So, natin ang these interfaces. So, mga interfaces, exist na siya both in that or flow. So, interfaces, mag-point siya sa connection and communication between sa different systems and processes sa mga stakeholders within the logistic chains. It will ensure condition para ensuring a smooth information flow and collaboration. So next is cyber physical systems are an approach to overcoming such interfaces as they close the medium gap between the virtual and specified. So cyber physical systems, condition nila ang atong mag-integrate sa mga physical assets like atong mga involved na dila atong mga vehicles, mga digital technologies na gamitin nila sa ilahang kuan para makatapos mag-create sa kuan, mga sensors and software, then monitoring, control, and optimization of logistic operations. Decentralized self-control is a fundamental idea of industry. The aim is to enable the delegation of decision-making to local logistic units. So, decentralized self-control, muna na siya dali ang katong in-powers nila ang katong individual components within the logistic chain para mahimo ang decisions o mag-adjust sila sa operations if asa sila katong mas katong kulang or kanang need nila Technical requirements. Embedded system refers to devices that are integrated. A technical context They perform monitoring, control, and regulation functions. So these embedded systems katong mga specialized computer systems designed ko para makahimo katong mga specific tasks. So such as katong controlling or tracking a shipment. Baka na to para sa shopping yung mag-track na to asa na ang atong order. So yun anak ko lang dira sa embedded systems. Mga siya katong within the larger logistic systems. So this is essential element communication networks. Machine-to-machine communication is the keyword for networking, which is an important component of industry. So kaning end-to-end communication, kani siya mag-enable siya sa katong mga sensors, vehicles, and warehouse equipment to exchange data and instructions directly automatic process and promote improving efficiency.